Right, solving equations. Okay, we've got a couple here. Let's go for this question 22. Okay, so excuse me, you've got to find out what x equals. There is an equal sign in this. It's an equation, not an expression. You're not simplifying an expression, you're solving an equation. There is some simplifying in it though. You've got to kind of sort things out before you find out what x equals. Right, okay, let's look at that first one. It's this one here. Okay, now then. So if you remember this, if we just look at this side of the equation, imagine you were simplifying an expression. Okay, so we're going to do one similar to this. So remember this negative in front of a parenthesis. If you want to, you can think of it as a -1. Undo the distributive law. I'll just erase that. Okay. Or you can think of this. Remember I might have said in a previous video, a negative in front of a parenthesis changes the signs of everything inside the parenthesis. So if I keep that 6x, okay, this negative in front changes the positive 3x to a negative 3x, but you can kind of see that written as it is. Look, there we go. Look, 6x minus 3x. Still the same, 6x minus 3x. But remember now, the negative in front of this one changes the -1 to a +1. Okay, so now we're going to simplify this left-hand side. What's 6x take away 3x? That's 3x. Still +1, still equals 2. Now, how do I solve this now? I'm going to leave that where it is. I am going to subtract a 1. How do you get rid of a +1? Remember, inverses, you minus a 1 from both sides. So, 3x equals 1. What do we do now? We divide by the number next to the letter. So, x equals 1/3. The mistakes that people do make on this question, they leave this as negative. Okay, they write this as negative, that as negative, so they end up adding a 1 instead of subtracting a 1 and getting it wrong. So do remember that. Okay, be careful. All right, negative in front. There you go.